Oh, hello. I am Squishy Critic. And welcome to my office. I am going to be meeting a YouTuber called Kiwi Squishy Master. Weird name. I mean, who wants to be a Kiwi Squishy? That's just weird. So, I am going to tell you what kind of squishy collector she is, depending on what squishies she brings in. So here she is. Hey guys, Kawaii Squishy Master here today, and I have to tell you how excited I am for this. I didn't think I would be here, and guys, in this video I am actually at 21 subscribers, so I am super enough with the talking. Yes. So we're in the squishies. In my bag. Give them to me. Why? Give them to me. Okay, they're which one should I give her, guys? I'm gonna give her one of my slow rising ones so she thinks that it's like a good one. My eye bloom pastry make. No, just because I'm scared she'll throw it or something. Ah! My bear cupcake. Okay. You killed the bear. No, I didn't. I took it to school. That's what happens when you take it to school. Well, you should know better. Guys, look it. Look it. She killed it. It's not even that slow rising either. It's dense. Who likes a dense squishy? I mean, some people do. No offense, no offense, no offense. Okay. La, 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 la. I'll be back. Ah, no, it helps to see it, yes. So this is a bear cupcake, you see, I thought it was a sumo wrestler. Okay. It's a very squishy. Why, thank you. But it's dense. Yeah. It's too dense. And you take bad care of it. It's gross. Disgusting you. Bye. Well, guys, thank you for watching this really weird skit. And now I know it's not going to be that good just because I am filming on my mom's old iPhone, aka my iPhone. And it's really bad because it's like an iPhone 5. Or not even. I don't know, it's really old. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. I am so close to 25 subscribers. If I can get it to 25 before my birthday, I'm literally gonna scream during one of my videos. I would be so happy. Guys, I can't believe I'm already at 21 subscribers. I probably get at least like 1 subscriber a day, which is amazing. And I've only been YouTubing for about 2 weeks, so that is also crazy. Also, sorry about me having to play 2 parts. I just didn't have anybody to play the other person. But the Squishy Critic will come back. Also, when I put the glasses on, I meant no offense to anybody who has glasses. I got these when I was younger because I actually wanted to have glasses, which these are actually like, well, I didn't get these exact ones, but I got some glasses because I wanted glasses, and these ones are actually prescription. Like, they're prescription, but they're not for me. Well, like, they do help. They do help me see, but I don't like wearing them because I look weird. Well, at least I think I look weird. And I don't want to walk around looking weird, so yeah. But I actually do see much better when I'm wearing these. But yes, I did not think this was a sumo wrestler. I did know it was a cupcake because, I mean, my vision's not that bad. But yes, still, I do not mean any offense to anybody that wears glasses. I've always wanted to wear glasses. Also, guys, this is probably temporary. Like, I'm probably not going to be in this background for long. I will get back to it just because, my mom and my sister went to France for a trip, and, they took the camera with them. So, I'm not going to be able to film on that. So, I might have to film in my messy computer room. You guys have seen it before. But I might have, like, a background up for that. But I am making the Squishy Critic into a series where I will invite actual people on, and they'll bring squishies, and I'll be a critic for that. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what I should do for a 25 subscribers special. Let's see if I can get 2 likes on this video by, what's the date? 7th. Let's go 15th. No, it's the 20th. So we're going for, oh yeah, I have like a calendar up here. Let's go for 2 likes on this video by the 20th. Bye, guys. Sorry, I was gonna do like another scene there, but I can't really grab the monster hat. Seriously, go. Bye, guys.